Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy, and I'm back. Wow, I've been gone a minute, I know, but I have a great Dollar Tree haul for you today. And my friends at Dossier sent me some wonderful perfumes, so we're going to unbox it. And I'll tell you a little bit about Dossier, and it makes a great gift if you have a perfume lover. The comes in a nice little presentation box. It says, you know, it's got Dossier on the front, and it comes with a little card that tells you about the perfume. This first one is called Citrus Green Apple, and it says it has top notes of green apple, lime, middle notes of bluebell and jasmine, and base notes of amber and musk. And it's inspired by Dolce & Gabbana light blue. So, it's pretty. So I'm just going to give it a smell and see what I think. Oh, that smells really good. I can smell a lot of apple and some lemon, but that is really nice. If you have somebody who likes a fresh citrus smell, that is really good. And they have great prices. They have a range of prices. And Dossier has branched out. They have candles now. I haven't tried any of the candles yet, but Dossier was nice enough to send me these 2 boxes of perfume. So let's see what this next one is. Oh, this one's right up my alley. This is Floral Rose. It has top notes of rose and cumin. I don't have my glasses on, so I can hardly see. Middle notes of cedarwood, base notes of musk and amber. And it is based off Le Lobos Rose 31 Eau de Perfume. So let's, still that one really smells, the other citrus apple smells really good. I'm going to spray this on the other arm. Oh, that has a lovely fresh rose. The most I get is the rose, and then it's got some nice spicy kind of aroma in the back, but it smells really good. And I know if you've looked at my arms, I did get some new ink. This is a little girl, a little blonde-headed girl talking on the phone, holding hands with a piece of toast with jelly on it. And my sister has the matching little girl holding hands with a piece of toast with peanut butter on it, because I'm her jelly and she's my peanut butter. And then, let's see if I can, this upside down, but I got the phases of the moon. Let me turn my arm so you can see it better. Phases of the moon. It said I did it for me. So, I love the moon and the full moon and moonstones and all that stuff. But, so we got some new ink while I was away. But that, I can't decide which ones. They both smell great. So if y'all love perfume, just give Dossier a try. I'll put a link to these 2 perfumes and to their website in the description box, so try them out. But now let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. It's been so long, y'all. I haven't done any crafting or haven't really been doing anything, but I think I'm back in the swing of things now, so going to try to do a little bit more. And I know I've lost a lot of followers, but maybe y'all will come back. But anyway, let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. And this is all jumbled up in my bag. I got some of the Be Pure makeup removing cleansing towelettes. It's 25 in here. I love these. These are really great. Some of y'all know that I have really bad eczema on my face at times, and I like to use these in the morning. At night I wash my face with goat milk soap and cleanse my face with that, but I like to use these in the morning to wipe off the oils from the night, so it doesn't dry my skin out so much. But I really love these, and I love the Bolero wipes also. There's not much at Bolero that I like, but I do like their wipes and their facial spray. But these Be Pure ones are really good, so I love these too. And I found some really cute craft things. I got this great little wooden sign with the hanger on it, And Easter is coming. And I got these cute little, this is a 12-piece. It's Crafter Square with the little bunnies with little tails. So I'm going to see if I can make me a little Easter sign with that. And let's see, I got some more craft stuff here. They had the cutest trim. This trim will be so cute. You could put it on a t-shirt, around, you know, the sleeves or the t-shirt, and just dress it up. But this is the purple one, and it has little bunnies on it, and some rickrack and some ball fringe down there. So that was really cute. And then I got the pink one also that has the bunnies and the gingham. That's really cute. And I got this cute orange one with the carrots. They had a yellow one with duckies on it, but our chicks, I wanted them to be ducks, but I think they were chicks. But I just got this one instead because I didn't really like the yellow one all that much, but this one was really cute. I wonder how much is in here. Okay, there's a yard of each type. So there's a yard of the rickrack, the figure trim, and the pom-poms. And then I found another cute thing. This is the Crafter Square. Especially if you have a Cricut, this is a good thing. This is the insert card set. It includes 4 blank cards, envelopes, and inserts. So you cut a design out of the front of your card, and then you can put the gold underneath and it'll show through the card. I thought that was really cute. I might try to make some Easter cards, or maybe Valentine's Day, though that's not my favorite holiday, so I don't really do much for Valentine's Day. But I thought that was a good deal for $1.25. And all of this is $1.25. And I picked up some of the Juncture socks. I love these athletic socks with the little colored heels on them. Those are really cute. So I think I got a bunch of socks in here. And like I said, this is all mixed up. Here's some, I got the Plackers interdental brushes. You know, like, I like to keep one of these in my purse because I don't want to walk around with floss. But this is good if you get something stuck in your teeth and you need to get it out in a hurry. So there's 4 of them, and they come with the little caps. And then I got the April Bath and Shower Spa Back Loofah Sponge. And this is really cool. I love it. I've had one before, but you know, you can just do it on your back and you can scrub your back yourself. So, but that's a really good. And they have it in some pretty colors. And this would be nice, and if you were making a gift basket for somebody for Valentine's Day, you could give them the little loofah and some bath bombs or some bubble bath or something like that. And I knew I had more socks in here. I have the Pro Player socks, lady socks. There's 2 pairs. I got these. I'm going to try to sublimate on them. They're mostly polyester, I believe, so I'm going to see if I can put a design on these. And I'm going to show y'all sublimation. I'm going to try to do some more crafts with y'all, so y'all stick with me. I'm going to try to do this stuff. Here's some more beauty stuff. The Global Beauty Care. This is the charcoal mask. It's supposed to be anti-aging serum, so I got that. And this is one mask in here. And then I got the Collagen Spa Treatment Mask by Global Beauty. So there's one mask in there also. I like the sheet mask much better than the gel ones because sometimes that gel does not react well with my skin and I have to get it off in a hurry, and that stuff sticks and you can't get it off. And then, oh, I got some more socks. I love these. These are the Juncture also, but they say Slay the Day underneath with the little rubber grippers. So, I mean, that's a great deal for, is this just one pair? Yeah, this is one pair. So that's great for $1.25. And then, oh, I bought these clips before I cut my hair, so y'all can, it's a lot shorter than when I was on last time, but I can still probably use these. It still might be enough to pull back, but I thought these were really good. That's a nice big one, so if you got thick hair, those will work for you. And one more shoe thing. I got the women's nude shoe liners by Juncture. Just a little pantyhose one. Like, I got some low profile shoes and I don't like my socks to show, so I like to wear these with that. And let's see what else I got in here. Oh, I picked up these Crafter Squares mini mats like this. These fit perfectly in the Cricut Joy, and for $1.25 they're far cheaper than the Cricut mats. So I picked up 4 of those. And they have the permanent vinyl that is the perfect size to go into Cricut Joy. And I bought this pretty rose trim one with birds on it. We're going to see what we can make with it. But I was going to give that. I haven't really tried the Crafter Square vinyl yet. I've heard good things and bad things about it, but we're going to give it a try and see what happens. Oh, and then I got these really pretty faux leather words. The ones that say blessed. And I think it's thankful. And it's 2 blessed and 2 thankful. I believe that's in there. But I thought those were really cute. Those would be pretty on the front of a journal if you just glued them down on a journal. And I got these cute Adore paper clips. They're really fun. Take these to work with me so my work cannot be so tedious and make the day a little bit more fun at work. But anyway, and I must have been really crazy about socks, because here's another pack of the Pro Player ones. That's 2 pairs. So I got those. And then I picked up this cute sequin jot notebook. I did see, I can't remember the lady's name now, but I saw a lady who actually sublimated on the front of these notebooks, and I was going to try that and see if I could get it to work. I think she did it on the silver, but I could only find a gold one, so I'm going to give that a try and see how it works. And what else I got? Oh, I got some more beauty stuff in here. I got the hand and nail gloves, nourishing avocado for your hands. You can do a little spa treatment at home. I got 2 of those. My hands get really dry, so I'm all the time putting lotion on them or a mask or something. And then I got these cute little decorative bottles. I believe I got 3 of them. So get them all out so I'll show them to you at one time. But they have the little leaf medallions on it. It's a kind of purpley one. Oh, one's lost a cork. It's probably in there. And then that one has another kind of leaf on it. And then that's kind of a bluish. And then the orange color. So I thought those were really cute. So I picked those up. And let's see, who are they by? That's just a Greenbrier product. And then I got the Crafter Square rub-on transfers. The farmhouse and coffee, flour, sugar, welcome and home, and different leaves. I thought those were really cute. And I don't know if you can see behind me. You can see my canisters are kind of this same thing, kind of Ray Dunn farmhouse stuff. So I thought I would see if I could find some more white canisters and put my own decals on it. Then I got these great storage boxes. I was trying to see what size they are. I think they're 8.5 by 11, but I picked up 2 of those. Try to get my craft room a little bit organized, and they have the nice snap-on lids, so they close securely. You don't have to worry about them popping open. I have a lot of my stuff stored in the plastic shoe boxes, and every time I drag one out, the lid pops off, and I usually dump stuff on the floor. So I got a lot of stuff in this bag, y'all. I didn't realize I had so much stuff. Oh, here's another of the leather words. I think this one says grateful and blessed. So I got that. And there's four pieces in each package. Then I got this cute little set of the 45 craft wooden embellishment set. These would be pretty on the front of a card or a book. I mean, you can make earrings out of these. There's all kind of stuff you can do with these. So these are all little flowers. So I picked those up. And a little container. I mean, you can use that too. It's a nice sturdy little wooden container that comes in. And I saw these, and I think these would be cute on a spring blouse or a spring t-shirt. And it comes with adhesive, but it's felt flowers and leaf kit. And I got the purple and blue. I mean, the pink and blue and the purple and yellow. Those are really cute. They're like could make a little corsage, and it comes with leaves also. But I thought that was really cute. Or you could dress up a picture frame with it, or all kind of stuff you can do with it. Okay. Here's some more sheet mask and things. I got the Hydrating Aloe 2-pack sheet mask by Freeman. That's a good name brand, so you couldn't beat that for $1.25. And then I got the Be Pure Night Eye Gel Pads. I haven't used these yet. I don't know how I'm going to like them, but I picked that up. And then one of my favorite things from Dollar Tree, I'm all the time buying them, are the multi-purpose metal clips. These are so much better to use on chip bags or cereal or whatever when you have to fold the top down and clip it than the plastic ones, because these do not break. The only problem I have with these is everybody in my house wants to use them for something other than what I want them for, so they're always gone. But I got those. And I got one of those little thin flat flashlights to put in my purse. So when I'm digging for my keys in my dark purse, I can find it. That's good to have, and it doesn't take up much room. And then I got 2 sheets of the gemstone stickers by Crafter Square. And those are great to embellish things, and you can put them on cards or bottles and bling it up. And I was able to find the Hard Candy eyeshadow palette. This is called Birthday Suit. It's kind of nude brownie colors. I love Hard Candy makeup, so I picked that up. $1.25 is way more than that at Walmart, so I can assure you. And then I picked up the 6-in-1 stylus pen. It's a pen, a stylus, a ruler, a level, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. So that is a great multi-purpose tool to have in your purse. So I picked that up. And that is the end of my first Dollar Tree haul in a long time. Hopefully I'll be back with a lot more videos and crafts for y'all and hauls and things. But I've missed y'all, and I'm glad to be back. And remember, if you have a perfume lover, try out the Dossier Perfume. It smells so good and is very affordable. And remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. See you soon. Bye-bye.